Hi everyone, this is Subhashri, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from SNS College of Technology. Today in this video, I am just going to share about the topic format operators. So before getting into the topic, I have already given few lecture series. You can see through the link which I have shared already. In that lecture series, what are the topics we have covered are we have already discussed about the errors and exception and how the exception handling is being done, and also we have seen what are the types of errors we have and what are the common built-in functions we'll use for the exception handling, and the exception handling mechanism which is being developed with the new methodology, and also we are using 3.10 plus programming compiler for doing the code. So these are the things we have discussed already. So getting into the topic, first thing is we are just going to empathize what are the things we are going to cover up in the upcoming session. That is, we are going to cover up the Python concepts. Just we are going to see what is a Python programming and what are the basic concepts, like what are the fundamentals and principles we have in this particular Python programming, and what are the tasks and the operations which is being carried out for performing the Python code, and also the text processing which is being carried out inside, and how we are doing it, and with the help of the example we are going to see in depth. And also we have some practice problem like illustrative programs. With the help of a demonstration we are going to understand how it works. So getting into the topic format operator, first common thing we need to know is how we are going to read a file in the Python. So for that, the code has been written. First we'll give the file name as file to read, and to open a particular function we'll use the open off command. So open off, inside that we are going to give the file which we are going to open. That is, the file name is source.txt, which we are going to call out now, and inside it only we are going to read some functions or modules inside it. So with the help of or command we are going to read the thing which is present inside. After that we will just change or append or write the function which is being inside. So the data which is given for read command is read off is being used here. So function to open a file, open off command is being used, and the location, particular location of the file is being specified, and the mode which is, it has to be only in read mode, or we can write or append, that we are mentioning with the help of the mode of the file. And the method which helps you to read the file content is also being denoted here. So once after doing this, the file content, like inside the file we have content, that is source.txt of. Inside that file we have the content like apple, orange and mango. So the source content will be read and you will get the output like apple, orange and mango. So while writing a file, how we'll write a file? First, in the first command we have just only read the file, right? So here for writing we'll use the command like w. Once opening a file like destination.txt is being opened, and we are going to write something inside. Already we have the data hello Python. So inside it we are just going to write add up some more data like print. In the print I have given done with file writing. So once you print this command you will get the done with file writing as an output. So for reading a file we have a limited number of characters. Like if you want to read a particular number of character, you can just specify in it like file to read of function which we are giving. Inside that file to read, that is file name is being given, and we are going to read a particular character, like number of character is being specified like read of 3. So the 3 characters inside the source file will be read and it will be printed. For example, inside the source.txt file we have line 1, line 2 and line 3, but only 3 characters we are going to read. So after printing the data we'll get LIN only. The only number of characters which we have specified will be read and will print the output. So here also the source.txt is being the file. Inside it we are just reading it. Once you run the file you'll get the output. Already we have seen it. Inside it apple, orange, mango will be printed. So just think out, we need to perform the read line operation for each and every line in the source file which has, and also the read line operation is lower, which will read whether if it reads a lower number of line in the source file, what will happen. What if we overrun it, or no read line operation is being present inside the source file? So how does we know the number of lines in the file we have, and how will stop the read line operation reaching to the end of the file, and what about the idea of using these loops? So just think of it and comment the answers below, how we will just clarify this out. Next, moving on to format operator, we have different types of format operator, like will you denote with the help of percentage symbol, percentage of s, percentage of d, percentage of I, percentage of r. So we have so much number of format operators. In this, we have only used percentage of s for string and percentage of d for the character integer type what we are going to use here. So the format method, which has the value mapping keyword also. For example, if for example print in main function, we are just printing fruit per kg and price. Here the price and fruit name is already we have given, like for dot format of fruit equal to apple and price equal to 80. So this will automatically call out the format, that will map the keyword which is present. Like print inside itself, we are giving the keyword like fruit equal to apple and price equal to 80. Once it while printing, it will give you apple per kg 80 rupees. So there is a no index problem here. Index is not a problem here. And if we are giving like at beginning itself, we are giving 0 and 1 instead of fruit and what to say in the before, if you see fruit and price, we have mapping fruit name and price. But instead of that, if you are giving some other passing some other argument, automatically it will throw the error. It will show you it is a wrong mapping. So the command line arguments which help you to parameterize the execution and also run the program with the help of the system modules. It's a curiosity challenge. You can try out this. Thank you all. Let us see you on the next lecture series.